And I like drawing. With my drawing pad.
Let's have a question time.
Question time. Okay, go for it. Okay. Let's... What? Fuck her. Don't... No. It's my phone. Remember some of your comments? Like, what did you do last Friday?
Last Friday night.
No. It's Thursday. No. I'm not even gonna do it. We can do the knife game, wouldn't that be fun? Like, I can have the knife and she can hold her treasure thing.
And like we're moving at the same time.
Yeah, that would be so
It would be
awesome.
the ninja level.
Okay, question time. I should question you things, but I don't know what to ask you.
It should be an intro song here. But question time.
Questioning. Something like that. And we can put a cute animation with us jumping towards the rainbow. Okay, so do you know any games?
Ruinous game? LOL.
Yeah, she actually knows more games than I think I do.
I have played games.
And this is a fun thing because I'm the one who goes to like conventions and stuff, and she's the one who plays it.
And games of Games
of Thrones. No, Thrones of fuck. What is it called? Games of Thrones.
People are gonna hate us now.
Yeah, people are gonna hate us. We're like those wannabe gamers guys. Like, I'm a nerd. And I play World of Warcraft. My favorite Pokemon is the yellow one, right? It's yellow.
It comes in a Pokeball?
Yeah, I think. Pikachu or something. Yu-Gi-Oh is so badass. When did you watch that shit?
Yeah, I loved his hair. It was really nice.
He was fucking hot. Like Danny Phantom.
It was too thin.
No. Like, we have a Wii at our home, and we got it like recently, a few years ago. And like, I play Mario, that's it. I don't play any games.
We used to
otherwise
have
than
PlayStation 2, and then it was that game where you were kicking people and like punching
that.
people.
You mean like a fight game?
Yeah, and then you could either have like when you won, you can have either like was written great or okay, which was no KO, which was
you mean KO, you're stupid.
I was like, why did they write okay backwards?
Oh my god, you're an idiot. What do you do in the summer? Runt tyst.
Hello. Alltså jag undrar egentligen hur såna här filmar. Det är lite sjukt.
En bit. Man ser honom inte, han är jättemörk.
Oh. Back in business. We became so white now. I want to have a much better tan than I had today. Guys, I have gone skiing, so I have a helmet tan right here. So it looks like I'm a fjortis.
Fjortis?
And I don't know how to put on my foundation, and it's really ugly.
Feels like I'm talking to nobody.
Okay,
You look good like this.
I don't wanna have my hair today. She can't speak.
What? What? What?